Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hadika Batul and today we are going to discuss about Pakistani Physicists lecture number 3. So let's start our video. In this video, we will discuss about Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan, a pioneer in nuclear science. Well, Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan is a renowned Pakistani nuclear physicist who is celebrated for his pivotal role in Pakistan's nuclear program. He is widely recognized for his contributions to nuclear science and technology, particularly in the development of Pakistan's nuclear weapons capabilities. Early life and education of Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan. Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan was born in Bhopal, India, and later migrated to Pakistan after the partition in 1947. He studied metallurgical engineering in Germany and later moved to the Netherlands, where he earned his doctorate in metallurgical engineering. Major contributions of Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan. His major contribution is in the field of nuclear program. Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan played a crucial role in establishing Pakistan's nuclear weapon program. He is considered the founder of Pakistan's uranium enrichment program. Also, he founded and established Kahuta Research Laboratories in 1976 and served as both its senior scientist and director general until he retired in 2001. Scientific advancements. Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan's expertise in metallurgy and nuclear engineering was instrumental in developing Pakistan's nuclear infrastructure. He also contributed to advancement in uranium enrichment technologies, which are essential for nuclear energy and weapons development. This is the introduction of Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.